Nisi here, back with another video. And this video is going to be a few updates, upcoming events, a few things that I just wanted to let you guys know what was going to be happening on my channel this new year, this new time, this new go round. I feel that my channel is just going to be I plan on doing a lot for you guys this upcoming year here now in 2018. So guys, just get ready for some FUN, okay? So the first update that I wanted to share with you guys was I decided to create a coffee account. Now, after much deliberation and discussing this with a few friends and fellow color tubers, I went ahead and decided to go ahead and create the coffee account. Now, what the coffee account is, it's like a tip jar. It's a very secure account where you can go into, and I will leave the link. I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I will leave the link below to the site where you can donate $3 in multiples of $3, like a coffee. Like you can give me a coffee, which will cost $3, and I can use that towards my YouTube channel, towards giveaways, towards purchasing new things to review for you guys. And you can, it's optional, you know, it's like a donation, like a tip jar. So it's definitely nothing that you have to do. Please do not feel obligated to give me anything, guys. But let me explain to you why I made this choice. So, a few months ago, I had a giveaway, and it was an international giveaway. I had a US winner and I had an international winner. And guys, I did not realize, people was trying to tell me, but I didn't realize how expensive shipping was, especially for international. And guys, okay, you know, I want to keep to my word, but it took me a minute to save up for that shipping to get that, you know, prize out to the international winner. So I was like, you know, I don't want to not neglect, but I don't want for my channel to suffer, or I don't want for you guys to lack information, or if I have, you know, things that I want to share with you guys and send to you guys and do giveaways, I don't want to say, oh man, I have this coloring book that I want to share with my subscribers, but shipping is $30. You know, that's more than the coloring book. So it was like ridiculous. And then I had to pay my Amazon Prime account, you know, ordering stuff. And I was like, whoa, this getting kind of steep here, you know? But you know, Dollar Diva is always going to find the best bargain for stuff. And I'm never going to go past my means of my budget, you know, without, you know, anyone's assistance. But I figured if I want my channel to grow and grow with you guys and to keep, you know, giving awesome giveaways, doing awesome giveaways, giving you guys awesome content, fresh content, and always something new over in Dollar Diva's world, that I needed to do something a little bit extra, you know? So I have done a few things to assist in helping out the channel. So as I mentioned, I created the coffee account, which is a secure account that goes through PayPal. And you can donate multiples of $3. You can donate $3. You can donate $3, which will be $6. You can donate 4 $3 coffees, which will be, you know, $12. So just how much ever, whatever that you like to donate, towards this channel and towards getting things, keeping things going, hey, that would be so appreciated. I appreciate you guys for just watching, for just coming over here, communicating, just being part of the Dollar Diva family. I mean, you guys just don't know how much you mean to me. I mean, it's just as much fun for me to make these videos than it is for you to watch them. I mean, I have a blast like making the videos and sharing content with you guys and just connecting with you guys. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. And I love you guys. And I thank you so much for everything that you've already done for me. So I'm here because of you. And I thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Because I wanted to let this passion go, you know, just for something small. But you guys helped me realize that this hobby, this craft, this passion is worth fighting for, you know, no matter what. So guys, thank you for that. That's worth a billion gazillion coffees, okay? So guys, I've done that. So I've created the coffee account. I've also become an Amazon affiliate, which means that below videos, when I use certain products, I will list things that I purchased from Amazon, and I will list the links at the bottom so that you can go through that link and purchase that same item. And when you use that link below my video, I will get a very small compensation for you using that link of purchasing whatever that item is. And that what I get will go right back into the channel, right back into doing giveaways for you guys, right back into buying, you know, fresh items, new items, whatever you guys would like to see me try out or use or test or review. We'll just be in this thing together, okay? So that's the new things that's going on this channel. I plan on doing a lot more tutorials, a lot more coloring chats, maybe some speed coloring. This past year in 2017, when I first got my channel started, I was doing a lot of reviews and hauls. So I will still be doing that, but I will be focusing more on sharing with you guys what I have learned, like my techniques, you know, tricks, secrets, tips of how I achieve my coloring, you know, what I do in my coloring pages, and, you know, how I achieve different things with my different methods, because I feel my methods are pretty unconventional. You know, you don't have too many heavy-handed colorists out there. So, you know, I'm working on light-handed. I'm going to be even all the way around. I'm going to be a light-handed and heavy-handed colorist. I'm going to be both, guys. I'm going to work on both. But for right now, I know I'm hard pressure. Hardcore, hard pressure. So, all right. So there is an event going on right now in my Facebook group, Worldwide Coloring with Dollar Diva 99. There will be a link below to that group if you have a hard time finding it. But I am hosting a color along over there, and it will be including a giveaway. Now, initially, this color along was with Shalene Tolan, another awesome YouTuber that was so sweet to invite me to do the color along with her and 3 other YouTubers. But life happens. Something came up and I was not able to complete my week of the color along. So I asked Shalene, sweet Shalene, could she fill in for me and, you know, do the coloring along with you guys so that you wouldn't miss the actual color along week of the winter color along. So she was so sweet to, you know, agree and do it for me. And I really appreciated that. But now I told her that I would still do the video for the color along, but it would just be a week late. And you guys will, you know, we will still do it together. So if you've already done the color along with Shalene, And the other three YouTubers, it was Grace and Coloring with Francis and Shalene and myself. So they had 3 pictures and I had 1 picture. So all 4 of us had different pictures. So if you've already done the color along that was done with Shalene, then that's awesome. You can actually come to my group and submit that picture to enter into the contest of this color along. So it's kind of like Shalene's color along 2.0. So I really appreciate Shalene inviting me and asking me to participate. And I hate that I couldn't participate. But life happened and there was no way I could do it. So hopefully next time Shalene won't forget me. Don't forget me, Shalene, please. So guys, like I said, there will be a contest event and there will be a prize given. So this is the picture. I showed this in another video, the color along announcement video. And I mentioned how I put it on watercolor paper so that we could use wet media. And we are going to be using the Faber-Castell Art Grip Aquarelle pencils. We will be using the Faber-Castell Albert Dürer watercolor pencils. And I will be trying out the inktense. I've never used these before, so we'll be learning together. I'm kind of nervous about trying these out, but we're going to see. I also will be using the Prismacolor water-soluble color pencils. I tried these in a coloring book and they were horrible. So I said, maybe I need to try them on watercolor paper. So we'll see. And I might throw in the Crayola watercolor pencil somewhere in there just to test out and see, how they look, and how the quality is. So it'll kind of be like a review, and kind of like a testing out of things. And if you guys have a specific preference of which one of these you want me to use the most of, just comment below and let me know. And I'll try to use the most of that particular one. But I have the biggest set I have is of these because I actually have a few open stock of the Art Grip Aquarelle. And I really, really, really like these. They're very nice too. So that is that. So we have that event and I will be sharing with you in the Facebook coloring group the prizes, what you will win in this coloring along contest. So the rules for the contest are color the picture and submit it in the event post on my Facebook group, and that's it. That's it. And I won't be judging your picture for the most part. All you have to do is color it. Be a colorist. It's not going to be judged on whose picture looks the best. It would be pretty much like a random giveaway. So I would kind of like everybody put your pictures on the Facebook group and I'll give everybody a number and then I'll randomly pick a number and you will be the winner. And before I pick a winner, I will disclose what you will be winning as a prize. More than likely, it would be a coloring book, but I have to decide which coloring book it will be. And I probably will let you guys choose, let the winner choose which coloring book it will be, because, I have so many. So I think I will do that. Okay, guys, so, excuse me. Still got a little frog in my throat. Oh boy, this winter weather is just, woo, is something. And that's why I wanted to color this picture, because it feels kind of good to color pictures that depict how you're feeling and what time, the seasons, and all that good stuff. So it's really cold right now, guys. So I was like, yes, this will be the perfect scene with snow and sleds and, skull caps and scarves, because it's cold. And I would love to be in this scene right now, riding on a horse sled in the country somewhere. So guys, I think that's it. Oh, I wanted to show you guys my new pencils. I recently got these. The Marco Renoir 24 count pencils. I got these off of eBay and they were only $10 for the 24 count. So I tried them out and I like them. I really like them. They're nice. Some people were saying that these were like a lot better than the Spiro Farben pencils, and I don't know. They're kind of tick for tack to me. I don't know. I gotta keep trying them. I only used them one time, so maybe I need to, you know, test them out a little bit more. So yes, got that. That's new. So I think that's it, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know again about the coffee. Buying me a coffee if you'd like to, totally optional. And thank you so much for joining me, you know, and just being in my world, guys. You guys are totally awesome, and I'm so grateful for you. And just keep being awesome, guys. Please, just keep being you, okay? So, guys, stay tuned for more coloring, more fun stuff, more good life in Dollar Diva's world, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, and happy coloring. Bye.